Detection of alcohol. From where can it be detected and what is the duration of the time up to which it can be detected? Alcohol in breath, blood, urine, and hair. Presence of alcohol can be detected in post-ingestion in multiplicity. It can be detected in breath, in blood, in urine, and hair. Let's see how. The blood sample can be analyzed using the gas chromatography. Urine analysis. Ethyl glucuronide is the detectable ethanol catabolic product that is found in urine, blood, nail, and hair. Now the time duration. The blood analytics reveal ethanol ranging from 6 to 12 hours. Breath analyzer can quantify alveolar ethanol up to 24 hours. Ethyl glucuronide can trace catabolic byproduct of ethanol within a range of 3 to 5 days in the urine, and eventually it can be traced up till 90 days in the keratinized tissues like nail and hair. Estimation of blood alcohol concentration. This was done by a Swedish scientist, Wedmark, who developed a formula for estimating the amount of alcohol needed to produce a given blood sample concentration. And conversely, the formula can be used to estimate the blood alcohol concentration that would result from the ingestion of a stated quantity of alcohol in an individual with a known body weight. So the Wedmark formula is expressed as A is equal to WRCT over 0.8, where A is the ethanol in milliliter ingested, W is the body weight in grams, R is the distribution ratio of ethanol, CT is the blood alcohol concentration decimal equivalent, and 0.8 is the specific gravity of ethanol. Now talking about the R, that is the distribution ratio of ethanol, the Wedmark R factor is based on the distribution of alcohol in the blood to that of the whole group. R is equal to percentage of alcohol in the body over the percentage of alcohol in the blood. And it has been already calculated. For men it is 0.68 and for women it is 0.55, because women usually have a lesser body water and a greater proportion of adipose tissue. Now, example here is that a man weighing 150 pounds who consumes 1 ounce approximately 30 ml of 100 proof, that is the 50% ethanol volume by volume whiskey or other distilled spirit, or 1 12-ounce can of beer, that is 5% ethanol volume by volume, will obtain after the complete absorption a blood alcohol concentration of 0.025%, that is 25 milligram per deciliter. And if we put that all the numeric values in the Wedmark formula, A is equal to 68,100 grams of the weight into 0.68, that is the constant of distribution ratio, into blood alcohol concentration, that is 0.025%, divided by 0.8, it gives us approximately 15 ml or half ounce of pure ethanol or 1 ounce of 50% ethanol. So vice versa, if you know the amount of quantity, you can calculate the blood alcohol concentration. So this formula is by and large used to detect the blood alcohol concentration levels. Thank you.